let's make stickers. Hi, I'm Melanie Manzik, and today I'm going to show you how I make my stickers from home. I sell my stickers at art fairs and I have an Etsy shop and I love making them. It is really easy. Let's talk about the materials and tools you'll need. We need a printer. I use the Epson ET2760, but any printer you have could work. Sticker paper. I use glossy and matte vinyl, but you can also use normal sticker paper. That paper prints a little bit dull for my liking, so I only use vinyl. Then we need a Cricut if you own one, or just scissors. I started making my stickers just using scissors, so. And an extra step will be adding holographic film. I will leave all the links to these materials in the description below. First, of course, a design. In this case, we're making Sunny stickers. Sunny is my cute tiger and he's my first character design and I love him. Again, we need an iPad or Photoshop. You can also use Canva, but I use Procreate in my iPad and I use Photoshop too. Once we have our design ready, we have to draw an outline for it. You can make the outline in Procreate using a thick brush, or you can use Photoshop, which is my favorite method. In Photoshop, place your design and pressing Command, click on the layer containing your design. This will select the whole design for you. Then go to the menu Select, Modify, and Expand. Here, depending on your design size, you add the number of pixels you want to expand that outline. And ta-da! But I like to make it a little bit smoother. We go back to Select, Modified, then click on Smooth. And normally, I will write half the pixels from the Expand step. Then with this selection, we create a solid color layer. And ta-da! We have an outline. I love this method because I can easily change the color later if I want to. Now you have two options. If you don't own a Cricut, and you're going to cut your stickers by hand, you can upload your design to Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Canva, and organize your stickers on the page and print them. Easy peasy. If you own a Cricut, then you upload your design to the Cricut design space, select complex cutting, and organize the stickers on the page. So a quick tip is to make a 6.75 by 9.25 inch square, in this case it will be a rectangle, and place it under the stickers, making sure all of them are placed inside this rectangle. Then group everything together and make the square not visible. This will let you use more space in your page because the stickers won't be reorganized by the Cricut program, because you're telling the program, this is just one image, I swear. When this is done, we print. I use just glossy paper, best print settings, so it will depend on your printer. If your Cricut struggles with reading the registration marks when you use glossy paper, like mine, you can place matte tape on the marks and the Cricut will not struggle, at least not 100% of the time. Another tip is to redraw the marks with a black permanent marker, like a Sharpie. Now let's cut the stickers, either with scissors or the Cricut. And done. We have our stickers and they look amazing. They're perfect. But hold on, I have an extra step, the holographic film. I like adding holographic effect to most of my stickers to make them look cooler and more whimsical. If you struggle applying the holographic film, tear a little bit of the backing paper. It will leave space for you to see where to place the film and it will make the application smoother. Also, use a card or a squeegee to apply pressure and remove bubbles. Make sure the film is not touching or over the registration marks. These could cause confusion and it might lead to cutting errors. Now we cut them the same way we cut the glossy ones, and done! We made stickers and they look amazing. As you can see, making stickers is easy and it's another way to sell your art. If you use this tutorial, please show me your stickers. I would love to see them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. You can also check out my Etsy shop if you would like to purchase these and other cute stickers. Ciao, ciao!